Hello, this is Darren Wright from Wright Inspections, and welcome to Shingle Roofing 101. Shingles are easy, right? Anybody can do it. That's what some idiots think. First thing you have to do is build your roof correctly. We don't have an extra piece of trim to step this metal out, and water's going to run right down and damage your fascia. 2, your shingles are supposed to hang past the edge a little bit, again to prevent the water from running down and damaging fascia. So after you get past that part, pretty basic things like a starter strip always helps, and putting the paper over the metal will reduce water damage to your fascia. And walk around this house, look on the underside, and we see a few areas that have stains and damage. So there's 3 or 4 things wrong before I even got on the roof. We have a lot of improper spacing, probably poor nailing, so these shingles have blown up and they've glued them back on. Got torn shingles, half shingles, again, that's supposed to be the line there, so these shingles are almost an inch overspaced. And then your flashings have to be lapped in the right way. After you do this row or this row, you put your flashing down, this row goes over. I can see the top of the flashing right there. And they were consistent. They did that on all of them. I guess a few of them they weren't too sure about how good they did, so they put a couple extra nails in the flashings. That is guaranteed to leak. Nothing like seeing tar all over a roof. That's always a sign of good craftsmanship. Couple missing here, they haven't gotten around to fixing yet. The other problem with overspacing is your nails are now exposed. Leaks everywhere. This is a custom house built by the homeowner. Thought he could build his own, and this is what you get. Thanks for watching.